Hi friends, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Surabhi Multi Creations. Today making this dish is for Kartika Monday, Amaranthas and pumpkin fry. Please watch this. First of all, pan on the stove. Add 2 spoons ghee. Next, add ginger pieces. Add green chilli. Add curry leaves. Fry it well. After fry, add amaranthus pieces. Mix it well. Next, add pumpkin pieces. Mix it well. Next, adding salt. Add half spoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Fry it for 5 minutes. Low flame. Cover the lid. After 5 minutes, mix it well. Add half spoon dhania powder. Mix it well. Fry it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, amaranthus and pumpkin fry ready to be served. I hope like this video. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.